Oh my god, I'm leaving everywhere. I got off my light. I want to go off my light. I may have 2 pieces of chicken back in the freezer.
Mommy, I'm hungry.
Hello, sir. Oh, if you come cut off my light, you know, see me and pick the for feed. Oh, you wicked, sir. Miss, we got a notice for your light to be locked off because you haven't paid the bill. So no wicked, is it, man? So my son for to sit down there dark and stare in the space. Lady, that is not my problem. Come on, man, sir. This must be something we can do so you can turn on back the light. You know what's there, sir. What you trying to imply, miss? Don't worry, mommy. Pay the bill for you.
Oh, hello. I was wondering if you can tell me where the closest tasty restaurant is.
Oh, just walk down. I'll look up further and you see it. It's not that far.
Oh, thanks. I'm sorry. I'm from Trinidad. I'm not used to the place. Just visited my sister and her husband.
Oh, you should not walk around by yourself, you know, man. You might get lost.
I know. I just like doing things my own way. And my brother-in-law is too busy with work to show me around.
Oh, that's cool, man. I understand.
My name is Nikita.
Oh, my name Anthony.
Anthony, you are very handsome.
Oh, thanks, man.
Can I have your number? Maybe you can show me around if you're not busy.
Oh, my number is 876-555-5050.
I will text you if I need you to show me all over.
Oh, I just want to make you know, say, me have my girl and thing, and I just get one baby over there, so nothing like that, alright?
That's okay. I won't be here long anyway. I will see you later, Anthony. I will text you.
Andy, which part your brother there? Where him gone? Him supposed to go out and go buy me some patty. He said he went uptown to go buy some baby formula or something. I can't really remember. But look how long that could take. So if I could stay here and not dead for hungry while him gonna go buy baby formula. What him take me for? Well, it's your baby. It's not like he's buying it for somebody else, baby. Where your phone there, call? My credit done and I can't call him right now. I really need to talk to him. Yo, I don't really have any credit either, but I'll go to the shop and go get some. Can't take that dirty boy the name Antonino. Every time I tell him to do something, he don't like listen. Yo, cutie, this tastes really good, you know?
Daddy, no matter all that drink I killed it last time, you know, come in and bring you home.
You know, say the dirty girl Sherry they were a young boy. She don't even know so that boy they just a user. Wait till him find somebody younger than her. Yeah man, shall come right back to me with a good body here. from when me and the girl there, and look how she just run like well F man for younger boy. But she a biggie that you know. But anyways, me know so she will come back to me. Me know that already. Cause she not no sense. You have more sense than her man. Way more sense than her. But anyways, Cutie, what going? Yo Cutie, you still there with the idiot boy they will live at Bridgeport?
A long time she and him left, you know. Cutie the one new boy, one boy from uptown.
So Cutie, about you give me man, boy they pop boy from uptown. I'm here for day with Cutie, I up there. Look how me sexy. And me have money. And that you what? Come page me man.
Listen to me, Daddy. When I not know you and your foolishness, you know. Stop watching my life. You're too fast. Daddy, my mother wanting a long time chat ask boy.
Yo, man, they would all woman, I want you. A young girl alone me you are. No big woman.
Your face still like my mother hot girl. Give me $50, my hungry body.
I want you, mother man. You know, say $50 come with a price. What you could give me?
You can meet me there, but you want me give you something.
Oh, yeah, don't move money. I want you, I do it, you're gonna want more.
So Sherry, you said a dirty boy Daddy I look for you.
Why would they be looking for me?
And you may ask that. You man go pa Sean yard, I ask Sean which part you live to. No one you both a boy and a Sherry, him up to something, you know, and you need to go look into it.
Maybe him just want to talk to me. Maybe I'm nothing serious. Maybe him just want to know how things going with me.
Sherry, stop gonna get on the sins when I worry about you. That dirty boy don't care about nobody but himself. Put two and two together and Sherry and stop gonna care idiot. From him see what the record there, me might try fast up in your life. Yes, you say the dirty boy I try mess up your life. Stop gonna get on the sins. You really get on my nerves, you know.
Maybe sometimes people change, you know, Debbie. Maybe I realize it when you treat me over the years and him did wrong.
No, I saw them dirty man this day. Once them see with a new man, them want come try to get back in your life. But I crosses them. I'm gonna try to get back in your life and not gonna change. Him not gonna change.
Maybe I should just have one good talk with him, nothing serious. And I like some more and get back with him or nothing.
Why would you go do that for? What you want to talk to him for? Sure, let me box you down, alright? Look how the boy takes you up. 6 girl in your house. By the way, you idiot. Can you make you go put the man name in your house like an honest sense? You lucky so daddy dead for me come deal with your ass.
I put his name in the house because me and him did married. I just thought it was the right thing to do. I was just thinking about Sean.
Hey, look like they keep about Sean. Look how him deal with Sean. Mac like Sean and not even him pick me. And the two of them favor. Shireen, forget about him, you know. Forget about him. And if you ever see him on the road and him say nothing to you, just call me right away. Me know who call for deal with him. Maybe you're right. I'll just avoid him from now. But I wouldn't want anything bad to happen to him, Debbie. He must stay my baby father.
Me never send you off to go buy me something for eat. And you just a come back now? Where my food there? So I say I go greet man. You warm to your Octavia from what day you pass your place with me, you know. And they say go buy baby feed, so she buy the baby feed in there.